We are TC Harris.
We are TC Harris.
Hi everyone, it's Jackson.
And Mommy.
And today we're reading about that job. And today we're playing with
The MonkiSee Learning Made Fun. Know Your Monkey.
by Krista Guerrero.
By Krista Guerrero.
A See and Say story.
A See and Say story.
Illustrated by Joshua Bowens.
Illustrated by I can't see that, but Joshua Bowens.
Ages 0 and 3.
Ages 0 to 3.
Let's read the word list.
Let's read the word list.
Let's read the word list.
Let's read the word list. Let's read it. Let's see. Oh, what are you doing? Now you're upside down.
Laugh. No.
Now you're upside down. Oh gosh, what are you doing? You're such a goof. Okay, turn it back.
Upside down laugh.
You're silly.
Say, upside down.
Okay. You're a goof.
Say upside down laugh.
Upside down, you silly boy.
No. Upside down laugh, Mommy.
Upside down laugh. Okay. Let's read the word list now. Let's read the word list now. It's still recording. Word list. Know your monkey.
Word list.
Word list. Know your monkey. And, can't see. Arms, clothes, fingers, goodbye.
Say
A and, arms, clothes, fingers, goodbye. Hands.
No. Say A and.
A.
Trace A.
No, I don't want to trace A. They can see A down there. You push this thing. Jackson trace an A.
Say
Good job.
A and.
A and.
Say A. Tap on the word list.
Tap on the word list. So you tap.
Say A and, arms, clothes, fingers, goodbye, hands.
Good job. A and.
Arm.
Hand. Can't see, buddy. Clothes. Fingers. Goodbye. Hands. Head.
Video.
Oh my gosh. Head, you child. Hi. Monkey. That's you. There's a monkey there somewhere.
Mouth video.
Mouth. Hold on. My goodness. There's a mouth. Nose.
Nose video.
Nose.
Open.
No, we already seen the nose.
Say open. Pose.
Raise. Silly. Make a silly face.
No. Silly video. Silly video.
No, I already did a
Laugh.
Strike. There. Toes. Where's your toes? Can you see your toes? Lift up your toes. Oh, my goodness. There's all our toes.
Up video.
Up. And
Wave video.
Wave.
Printed in the USA. All rights reserved.
Printed in the USA. All rights reserved.
Let's turn the page.
Let's turn the page.
No, let's turn the page. Let's sing.
Okay, you show me how to sing.
Let's sing.
Okay, you show me what to sing. You tell me.
Monkey fingers, monkey. No. 2 more times.
Okay, you show me. I don't know what to do.
Monkey fingers, monkey toes. No.
Monkey fingers, monkey toes.
No. Sing monkey fingers, monkey toes. Fingers, toes. Monkey head, monkey nose.
Okay.
Head
Okay, I can sing.
and nose.
Okay. Monkey fingers,
No.
monkey toes.
No. monkey fingers, monkey toes. No. Monkey fingers, monkey toes. Fingers and toes. Monkey head, MonkiSee, MonkiSee. To see, sing MonkiSee.
Monkey see, monkey do like me and you. Monkey fingers, monkey toes.
Monkey fingers, monkey toes.
Monkey fingers, monkey toes. Fingers, toes.
No, fingers and toes.
Fingers and toes. Monkey head, monkey nose. Head and nose. Monkey mouth, open and close. Open and close. Monkey strike, silly pose. A silly pose. Monkeys raise arms up high. Arms up high. Monkeys wave their hands goodbye. Goodbye. And there's all the books. Oops. There's all the books.
Baby's first words. All about colors.
Baby.
No. Again.
We can do this one again.
One more time.
Monkey fingers.
No. Say again. Again. From the beginning.
Again, from the beginning. Monkey fingers, monkey toes, fingers and toes. Monkey head, monkey nose, head and nose. Monkey mouth, open and close.
Say monkey mouths open and close.
Monkey mouths, open and close, open and close. Monkey strike, a silly pose. A silly pose. Monkeys raise their hands up high. Arms up high. Monkeys wave their hands goodbye.
Sing goodbye.
Goodbye.
Also available from Intellectual Baby.
Also available for Intellectual Baby.
Also, baby's first. No, here has the MonkiSee.
Here is more MonkiSee books.
1, 2, 3. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count to 11.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 DVDs and books.
Okay.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 DVDs and books. Yay.
12 and 13.
I don't think there is a 12 and 13, silly. Okay, I think we're done now.
Baby's first words. All about colors. All about shapes.
Baby's first words. All about colors. All about shapes.
Baby. Monkeys like the color.
Monkeys like the color.
www.monkisee.com.
www.monkisee.com.
Know Your Monkey is a see and say story.
Know Your Monkey is a see and say story.
Teach your children to read early and you will give them a wondrous gift that they will use every day for the rest of their lives.
Teach your children to read early and you will give them a wondrous gift that they will use every day for the rest of their lives.
These simple books are designed to familiarize very young children with written language.
These simple books are written to familiarize very young children with simple language.
www.intellectualbabyllc.com. Ages 0 and 3.
www.intellectualbabyllc.com. Ages 0 to 3.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
No.
If you like this video,
Sing.
if you like this video,
Sing.
I don't want to sing.
Monkey fingers, monkey toes. No.
We already sang that song.
Uh,
If you like this video, don't
No.
forget to like, subscribe, and I don't remember how
hit
it
the
goes.
bell.
Hit the bell.
Thanks for watching. Bye bye. MonkiSee. No. MonkiSee. No.
Oh,
Monkey fingers, monkey toes, fingers and toes.
thanks for watching. Bye. Monkey head, monkey toes, fingers and toes.